Hey, it's Matt with Magee Farms, and I've got something I picked up to use for working around the house and the farm. And you see these popping up on like Amazon and Temu and eBay. So I just figured I'd make a video of it. We're gonna get it out of here and give a little try. I bought this a little while back, but this has just been a crazy summer, and I got quite a few things that are building up that I bought that I haven't been able to make videos on or even get out and use just because we've been so busy. And I figure before we get into wintertime, I might give this a shot. So this is from Garvey, and did not know I was buying it from Garvey. I think it had a different name when I bought it, which Garvey, I've had a couple of things from them and did not hold up the greatest. As a matter of fact, they had sent me a few things and an oil change pan that was really cool until I went to use it and the thing broke on the first use. So yeah, not super excited about this company, but this should be fairly simple without really much to break. And this is a drag harrow you would use for an ATV. You can use it for a tractor. You can use it for lawnmower. Pretty much anything. I mean, if you're Amish, you could hook it up to your horse, I guess. If you got kids, I guess you could hook it up to your kids. But it's basically just for like your driveway, just for smoothing things out. You can use it on a crop field. And we're gonna get it out. I'm gonna put it back, put it together, and I don't know, my driveway, I hit it not too long ago with a box blade, so it's not too bad, but I know someone that has one that is pretty bad, so we may run it down to the neighbors and do their driveway a little bit. So first of all, though, I'm gonna get it out of the box and put it together, so let's see what it looks like. I'm down at our neighbor's place. They just recently put this road in this summer, and it's new road, needs to settle down. It's a little rutted up from the farmer taking stuff out as well. So I've got it hooked up, got it on the Kawasaki Prairie 400, and it was pretty simple. It was 4 bolts here, and then in the back. Not all the bolts wanted to line up, but a little work, I made it work. And then you've just got a chain hooked on both sides, and it just goes to the back. So really simple setup. And I have one cinder block on there. You put quite a few of them. You probably put, looks like about 6 if you really needed some weight. I had to go down the county road. It's about a mile or so from our place, and I really didn't want to try to lug a whole bunch of cinder blocks on the four-wheeler with everything else. So I figured I'd just see how this does. It's a nice day. This gravel's kind of loose anyway, so we're gonna hop on and we're just gonna pull it slow and see how it does, and see how a 400 Prairie pulls it. Losing the cinder block already. I guess these need to be strapped down a little bit maybe. But you can kind of see here where farmer coming in and out kind of rutted up a little bit. It's smoothing that out a good bit. I think a couple passes. You know, I mean, ideally if you've got better equipment, you would use better equipment, but these are easy, they're cheap, and for them all they've got is an ATV, so you know, that's even handier for them with just an ATV and a little 4/8N. I had a ratchet strap. I strapped that on the back rack whip, left it up by the barn. I guess I need that to tie it down, but I think it just needs some more weight on it. I might leave this here and run back, grab a couple more. It is helping. Okay, so just one pass with just one block on there that I had to keep setting on, that it was working its way loose, made a pretty nice difference. I mean, I can see the ruts gone. It had a lot of bumps and humps on it. There's not as many. I still see a few. I think if I come back and I put 4 or 6 on here and strap them down where they're not moving on me and make about 4 or 5 passes, I think that'll pretty much do everything needed for this driveway. That thing works pretty good. So initial response, I'd say yeah, definitely worth it. These things were cheap. I'll put a link down in the description of this, and that way you can, if you're interested in it, you can go to Amazon, take a look. There's some other brands, some other ones out there, a couple other styles. I just happened to click on this one mainly because it was cheap, and I figured, you know, try it out. And yeah, it works pretty good here. I got a couple spots at the house, but they're not quite as bad. This is one that I figure would show up if it was going to work or not. You could see what kind of difference it was going to make. So it's Matt with Magee Farms. If you enjoy these videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.